Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you, or I will show you some option of Kimi.com. It's a chatbot, it's like ChatGPT alternative. So how to use this website or site? You can see here the interface quite same like ChatGPT or other chatbot, but here we'll find some things like you can create web application, mobile application, you can generate data visualization, slides, and many things. So for example, if you want to create your web, so simply type here web app and tap here, and you will see here they have a canvas. So I'm just going to choose this one, and you can see here you already saved set open, please wait. Okay, so you can see here it's created everything for you. It's like other Gemini chatbot, like everything ins and outs created. You can comment here and create it for you, like everything. So I'm just, this is the app. Okay, so now you can see here, so everything, search image, you can see here different image, they create you the full website. Okay, and also you can see here, so creating products HTML, and you can edit, you can delete the things. So you can see this is the thing, and they can create mobile app also here. So web app, and if you click make web app, so you can see here I am like creating many things. That's why, yes, it's still working. So that's why I can't generate another thing. So I'm just going to close this one. So now let's see, near chat you can see web app, you can data visualization, creativity, slides, you can create slides. So all the thing is work perfectly. You can try. So you can see here, this is earning shorts. So you can like try all the things you will find here. I just stop it. So now new chat, you can data visualizations, but this is the subscription. Like if you want to get all unlock, if you want to unlock all feature, you can try this one. You can, like, this is tool two version, you can search and you can thinking, you can choose this one, and there are two models here, and you can upload your PDF, doc, text, and they generate. If you want to create, this website cannot create or generate any images, but the inspirations, build a mobile app for perfume brand in Jenny styles. Like you don't need anything to upload, like the creative image also. Let's see, but sometimes it's not happen because in free mode this is advanced. So if you really want to use those option, then you have to buy theirs, you have to upgrade plan, but in common things you can use it.